Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by prioritizing safety. Stop using the vehicle and keep passengers out because an unresolved airbag fault can mean non-deployment or sudden deployment. Next, collect your VIN, recent service history, and when the dash light first appeared. These facts speed diagnosis. Make sure to contact the manufacturer dealer or an ASE-certified technician right away, because airbag systems involve pyrotechnic inflators and vehicle network modules that require specialized tools and training. Once you arrange professional help, the tech will perform an SRS scan to read stored fault codes and freeze frames. Those codes tell the story of why the light is on. The mechanic will inspect wiring harnesses, connectors, sensor mounts, and check manufacturer recall status. Physical damage or corrosion is often the cause. Make sure any replacements are OEM-specified parts and that the technician programs or calibrates modules to the vehicle, because mismatched components or uncalibrated modules can recreate faults. To finish, verify the technician clears codes and runs a post-repair verification, including any required calibrations or road checks. You should see the SRS light stay off. Get a detailed invoice listing replaced parts and calibration steps, because traceability matters for safety and future resale. If the SRS light comes back on after repair, do not drive the car. Instead, have it towed to the dealer or certified shop so they can reevaluate the system and avoid risking occupant safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.